Hey, what's up, everyone? Today is the 10th of January, 2024. We're going to talk about Solana today. The Daily Hodl has produced this article right here. There's a couple of experts, crypto analysts, strategists, who's trying to tell their followers that Solana is about to go down. And not just go down, maybe a deep correction, as the title of this article reads. Analysts issue Solana warning, predicts deep correction for Solana in the coming months. Here's their targets. So let's go through this article real quick to see what these people have to say. A widely followed crypto strategist is updating his outlook on Ethereum competitor Solana. Pseudonymous crypto strategist Pentoshi tells his 738,500 followers on social media platform X that Solana could dip in the coming months by more than 40% from its current value. 40%. Keep that in mind. This is what he or she quoted or sent out on a tweet. Not sure we get as low as I have here, but do expect at some point to be able to bid in the 70s. Looking forward to not just trading Solana, but holding some ecosystem coins for the next year or so. This is his chart. He's looking for the price to slowly and methodically come lower in price to around 70 bucks. Then you have another pseudonymous analyst, Altcoin Sherpa, telling his 204,900 followers the same thing. He's looking for Solana to go down. He's saying that it's going to likely dip to Fibonacci retracement levels 0.382 at $84.50 or 0.5 at $71.67. And here's his chart. Okay. Now, why do you think these strategists, these individuals who follow Solana's market, saying that the price is going to go down? Right, because the price has gone up for a sustained period of time. So logically, you would see price come back down. This is not rocket science. Plan still remains. 0.382 and 0.5 fib levels are the areas of interest. These will both be great entries for the long run, in my opinion. Sold some of my Solana at the high price. Now you can tell off all of that content, all those letters that he wrote, he didn't tell you at what price he sold. He just told you that he sold some. And he's only looking for the price to go to 2 Fibonacci retrace. What if it goes all the way back down to the very bottom fib level? And he's saying that he's going to buy, or he's telling his followers that these will be great entries at those first 2 fib levels. But what if Solana continues to go lower and lower and lower and lower? And then you got a third strategist looking at Solana, telling his 385,700 followers. This pseudo-anonymous strategist name is Rect Capital, that Solana is dangerously close to flipping a key support level at $98 into resistance and then dipping into the $70 range. Quote, weak reaction from the range low. This reaction was properly canceled out. Now Solana is threatening to lose range low as support. Weekly close below the range low could begin the breakdown process into the green area below. Here's his chart. Everyone got charts. Everyone else has their opinions. Everyone else has their thinking process of where they think price is going to go for Solana. Which one is right? Which one is wrong? Could all three be right? What do you think? All of these questions has yet to be answered. And then you come and look at my price prediction. Boom, right there. Okay. Now, I would tell you from the article that those 3 strategists are right. Now, from my perspective, the reason why they are right is because the buyers in Solana did not hold our 2 buy zones. Now, we did this video in Solana right here on December the 24th, 2023. We created these 2 buy zones. First one is here at around $107. Then the second one was around 100. Okay, they didn't show up on neither one of them. So yeah, market is weak. Now the all-important trend line is about to be tested. So we need to cancel out our original analysis looking for Solana to go higher. Let's go ahead and cancel this price prediction out. 11.27% loss there. If you were to get out the market now, we'll be down 15%. And now we are going to focus in on our trend line. We're going to create this buy zone into the market in Solana here. This is a buy zone now. And it's at a pretty good area, seeing that it is right along the support of that trend line that needs to be maintained in order for us to see the market price action in Solana continue to go up. Now let's look at this on the 2-day chart real quick. Okay, we can see that selling and weakness is currently coming through. Now I would tell you that the market is trying to hold right here. They're trying to hold $84.45. That is where the buyers are currently staged. And I say that because this 2-day price bar, market held support, and then on the last printed 2-day price bar, the market held support at that price. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Even in the midst of these two indicators of weakness on these 2 3-day price bars, the market in Solana still went up. So this is a very important level. We cannot see price break this zone right here, or this buy zone that I created. We cannot see that. If it does, all 3 of those analysts on that article from the Daily Hodl is right. Solana will continue to go down. Here it is on the 5. Here's Solana on the weekly chart. And given the weekly time frame, I do suspect that price will in the long term go down. In the next couple of months, hey, it could be in the next couple of months, it could be in the next couple of weeks, that price in Solana could continue to go lower. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Here it is on the 3-weekly chart. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at Solana on the monthly chart. And let's look at this on the 330. Okay, so I think we're going to see price to test this buy zone down here first, because of this 330-minute price bar there. Price is definitely still weak. Here's another buy zone into the market in Solana. So you can see that the market is making lower highs. Okay, we got a sell zone up here. Let me go ahead and fix this up. We got like 3 sell zones. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart first. I want us to keep track of the sell zones that Solana currently is creating. That's 1. And here's the next one. Okay, so we got 3 sell zones into the market that buyers has so far unsuccessfully created a breakout to the upside. So given that we have 3 sell zones and 1 buy zone, that already tells you where the weight of the market is trying to go. It's trying to go down. Simple, right? So let's go ahead and do this. Let me see on the 1-hour chart. Try to create like some more buy zones. Because if the market's not going to hold our first buy zone around $85, what would be the next area? So here's the buy zone. And here's my other buy zone for Solana. Now I think that first strategist on the article said 40% drop. Let's see what we got on ours. Because these would be our targets right here. My first target is going to be at the lows that occurred on the 3rd of January and the 8th of January, which is around 12.5% there. That's our first target. If we see the market continue to hold here and trade sideways, that will be the bottom. If they don't hold that zone, then our next target is going to be our second buy zone, which is around $79, 18.2%. Third target is around $72, which is around 25.5% there. Okay. And that is it. I'm done. we'll see how low price is going to go in Solana. One of those three zones is my idea, my opinion as to where the market buyers will try to show up. Again, they might not even show up there, especially if we see price break this trend line. We can see it go a lot lower than what I'm anticipating. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.